Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das on Monday appealed to people not to panic or rush to return or exchange their 2000 rupee currency notes. He said, and I quote, "There is no reason to rush to banks now. You have 4 months, till 30th September. Unquote. The statement comes a day before banks across India start the process of taking back the high-value notes. The RBI governor also mentioned that the notes would continue to be legal tender even after 30th September. He also said that the deadline had been given so people would take it seriously and make an effort to return the currency notes. Banks have been advised to make necessary arrangements for the exchange of 2000 rupee notes starting Tuesday, and the required notes have already been printed and made available. The government on 19th May announced that the notes would be withdrawn from circulation but gave people time till 30th September to either deposit these notes in their accounts or exchange them at banks. The State Bank of India later clarified that people would be allowed to exchange currency notes without any form or requisition slip. No identity proof will be required. Also, people can exchange 2000 rupee notes up to 20,000 rupees any number of times in a day. The RBI chief also denied that the notes were being withdrawn because they were easily counterfeited. He said that the 2000 rupee notes were introduced for remonetization and the security features of these notes had not been breached.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.